Hello, welcome to our channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irina. I'm from Lithuania, and well, that's my home. Actually, we are a full-time family. We are living in that RV. We arrived to the United States 7 months ago, and we just jumped in the RV in front of, not far from New York, and traveled all through the country by the north to the Oregon state, and then down to California, and now we approached San Diego, and then headed to Arizona, where we are now. And we just attended this nice Quartzsite event, which is a huge event for RVers. And we met other family recently, and they just live in that RV. And our kids stick together hardly, and they play together all the time. And we just stopped for a week or something, just together with these people, with this family. And look at this beautiful cactuses and this Arizona desert. So marvelous. And we are doing a lot of experiments. We like making science experiments. Here's ours. It's now just in the RV. I'll show it later. And well, welcome to join us in our travels. We also make videos of the place we are, and we want to make new people, new friends, and we welcome you very much to join us, to befriend us, to subscribe to our channel, as sometimes we're really lonely here in the States, and would love to make as many friends as possible. So, and these are my kids. Hi, Christopher.
Hi.
This is Christopher. He's 9. And this is Maya. Maya is 3. And okay, they will be happy to find new friends here, full-time families, and everywhere else.